What's up, guys? Back with another video here. As you can see, the transmission and the motor have been mated, which is awesome. The next step is to put it back into the car. But before that, we're just going to do a quick transmission oil change. I figure it's a lot easier to do it while that's out of the car versus in the car. All right, so a pretty simple process. It's just like changing oil. There's going to be a drain plug and a fill plug on the side of the transmission. Basically, you want to unscrew the top one, the fill, and then get a pan underneath the transmission, and then unscrew the drain plug.
Then you occasionally hook it back in and see what's happening. And if those battery cells are weak, they'll start to climb faster. Noise. Okay.
Hey, hey.
Make sure that works. It's good.
All right, so once the gear oil's done, it's time to fill it up with the new oil. So there's the fill hole. I got some Swepco 201 as recommended for a Porsche 901 transmission. Yeah, here's the old plug that I got. It's got, you can see all the old bits of gear there. I got a new one I'm putting in with the magnetic catch. So yeah, let's get started. All right, pretty easy. I just bought this pump from Harbor Freight. It's like $8. It screws right onto the bottle of transmission fluid, and you just pump it in, and you keep pumping until it's full and starts to leak out like that. Then once you're done, it's time to put on the new plug, and you just ratchet it down to tighten it up, and you're all set.